It is currently 4 p.m. I've been postponing all day doing my workout of the day, and I think it's gonna be time. So I was thinking it would be fun to kind of take you with in my current workout routine and share a little bit more of what I'm currently doing and why I'm doing it and how I'm feeling with it. I was like love taking you on my journey and hope it can inspire you as well. After the workouts, we're gonna cook some dinner. I'm gonna make a insanely delicious and quick and easy pasta recipe. It actually contains protein, which is truly amazing. Pasta and protein, I mean, what can a girl ask more for? Today's workout is a leg and booty workout, and I'm actually doing weight training today. And as you guys know, I have been really loving incorporating more weight training into my routine. When I started my fitness journey, I really fell in love with Pilates. It's something that I'm so passionate about and still practice like 3 times a week. But I'm also incorporating more weight training to build more muscle mass, and I want to build a little bit more glutes, a little bit more booty, so training a little bit with heavier weights is really helpful for that. I don't know, I think when it comes to picking your movements, I think it's really important to think about 2 things. The first one is, what is a movement that you enjoy doing? You have to enjoy the type of movement, otherwise there's going to be no way you're going to be consistent with it. And then second of all, like, what is your goal? I think that is important to understand too. I right now feel like I wanted to build my glutes a little bit more, so I'm like, okay, I need to incorporate a little bit more heavier weight training. So yeah, I wanted to guide you through a workout that I'm going to be doing today, and I'm actually testing out a new program that will be on Soulsing Body. For anyone new here, Soulsing Body is my fitness and nutrition app. I will link that down below, where you can find all my workouts, my recipes and meal plans, and just mindfulness, basically everything. So I'm really excited about that. I think it is ready to go to the gym. I have a little gym here in my building, so I'm just gonna go there. I used to have an Equinox membership, but to be honest, I at one point started feeling really uncomfortable going to the gym. I don't know if you guys have experienced it. Like almost every time I was there, I would get hit on by like some guy. I don't know, I think the #1 opening sentence was like, oh, how tall are you? And then I got like headphones. I was like, nobody can talk to me. And I don't know, it just became at one point a little just uncomfortable. So this is why I always prefer just training into my own space. But yeah, sometimes it's empty in the gym in the building. It's a really tiny gym, but it's honestly just perfect for what I need. I don't need a lot of fancy equipment, just some weights and a mat, and that's about it. So let's head down and get to work. Show you my gym outfit quickly. I'm just gonna go for this cute black set, but I really like the top. Kind of has these straps, and then it's like open on the back like that. This set is from Aloe. I really love their fits. I always like wear their shorts and leggings in a extra small, and then the tops I wear in a small. So really cute. Okay, we're gonna go downstairs. So I usually prefer to work out in the morning because I just obviously have the most energy then, because I'm a morning person, and I just feel so much more energized throughout the whole day. And I feel doing it at the end of the day, I really need to scrape my motivation together to do it, because I just feel tired, honestly. But I do always feel once I start working out, even if it's end of the day, as soon as I start stretching and moving my body, I'm like, oh my god, I feel amazing and energized. I sometimes trick myself with that as well. If I don't feel like working out at the end of the day, I'm like, you know what, let's just do a stretch. And then 10 minutes in, I start to feel energized and I'm so ready for a workout. So it's a little hack that I always love to do for an end of the day type of workout. Anyway, I got new shoes. These Nike ones, and I also have them in white with green accents, and I really love them. I don't know if these are like perfect for training. What I always look for when I'm looking for shoes to train in is that they are as flat as possible, because it is much better for your feet and your ankles and then your knees and everything. If your shoes are flat, like as soon as there's more elevation, it is not great for your ankles. So I think these are a little bit flat, but it is just something to pay attention for. That's why sometimes during weight training also I just do no shoes and just, you know, just flat feet. But I thought these were really, really cool. If I can find the link, I will also link these down below. Yeah. Let me take you through my lower body workout routine today. I always start with a 10-minute stretch to warm up, and this helps also prevent any injuries and just makes my body nice, warm and loose. After that, I spend 5 minutes on glute activation using a resistance band. This really helps engage my muscles and engage my glutes so that when I move into the main workout, I'm actually targeting the right muscles. And then next, I jump into the main series, focusing on 6 exercises that I do for 3 rounds for 10 to 12 reps each. The key here is working until muscle failure. Those last few reps should feel really tough, but still with good form. That's where the real muscle building happens. I honestly have a love-hate relationship with Bulgarian split squats. They are definitely challenging, but wow, I do feel them in my glutes and in my lower body, and I'm usually shaking after I finish. I am really excited to introduce this new type of training to you very soon in a whole new program that I am currently following. And then to finish off, I like to sprinkle in some Pilates movements and glute isolation exercises with the resistance band for an extra burn. And then I always make time for a cool down. Cooling down not only stretches my muscles, but it also helps calm down my nervous system. And I feel this is something that is very often overlooked because workouts naturally put stress on the body, which is totally normal. But I'm mindful of managing it because sometimes I feel my body can't tell the difference between workout stress or other stress. So I take a moment to regulate and reset and stretch and take a couple of deep breaths before I go make some dinner tonight. I just finished my workout. It was such a good one. Truly, I feel it's always better to focus on a few exercises and do them really right. I think it took me quite a long time to get to the point where I'm at today. And I don't know, I want to say like I'm proud of myself because about 2 years ago, I wasn't even able to do a proper squat, and I also want to share that with you because those type of things take really time and consistency, and like especially if you're at the beginning of your journey, it can feel very scary to be maybe in a gym or to get started because maybe your form is not there where you want it to be, and my form was there not at all. Like I was unable to do a freaking squat. I really had to work on loosening up my hips and ankles and all of that, and I think only recently I've been able to load more weight. And I want to share this because it takes a lot of consistency, a lot of practice to do, and I don't want you to feel discouraged if, you know, after 1 month or after a little bit you're unable to do it, because it took me freaking years to kind of get there, and that is totally fine. Don't feel discouraged if after a little bit you're like, oh my god, it's not working or not working out or things like that. I think it's really important to know good things take time and consistency, honestly, and if you just start small, it is truly the most important thing. By the way, a little appreciation moment. I'm sitting outside right now and it is October. I feel it's like fall here is better weather than like the summer, but definitely a little appreciation. I am gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna make some dinner because your girl needs to eat. Always after doing a workout, properly fueling your body is truly part of training and wellness. I always feel if you're not properly fueling your body after a good workout, like what was that workout for? It's not that it was a waste, but it really, really goes hand in hand, and you won't get any results if your nutrition is not on point. So we're gonna make a delicious pasta. for dinner tonight, I am going to make a creamy vegan tomato rigatoni. And it's actually a recipe from my new ebook that I launched this week. It is the fall dinner meal plan. And this ebook contains 7 time-saving dinners. So I wanted to create recipes for fall that are obviously with the season, like warming, comforting, and something that was super easy and quick to make. Like I have asked on Instagram, and like so many people out of the community told me they're looking for easy and quick recipes that, especially after a long day of work or, you know, a busy day, that you can just easily put together but are still very like warming and nutritious and also just delicious. I am really excited about this ebook. It has 7 dinner recipes. It has a grocery list, so you know exactly what to make for the whole week. It has some health and nutrition tips, and our dietitian like talks a little bit more about the ingredients, so you learn a little bit to understand like what the macros mean and like what the benefits are of all of these dishes. So for today, this dinner recipe actually made it on to the cover of the ebook. And yeah, this is what we are going to work with. We have tomatoes, some basil, and then the secret ingredient of today will be silken tofu. And then nutritional yeast. This is really amazing if you cook vegetarian or vegan to still get protein in, because 2 tablespoons have about 5 grams of protein in. And it gives this like cheesy flavor. It's really good. I got some corn gluten-free rigatoni. Not really on purpose, this was just in my cabinet, so we're gonna try it out. I've never had corn flour pasta before, but this already smells so amazing and I'm really excited to make this. These time-saving dinner recipes are available on Soul Sync Body if you are a member on the app, and if you're not a member, it's also available in an ebook, so you can just buy it separately, and I will link that down below so you can go check it out. But yeah, this looks absolutely amazing, so let's make some food. All the sauce ingredients here, silken tofu, the tomato. So while the pasta is cooking, we're gonna blend this up and then just mix everything together. Pasta is ready. Looks insane. Wow, this is so good. I'm gonna be honest, sometimes I have a hard time with plant-based pastas because I love cheese so much and creaminess. And even tomato-based pastas, like I usually go for like a cacio e pepe or carbonara or something. But this is absolutely delicious. It is really, really good. I also think that, you know, we talked about consistency within like working out, but when it comes to health and nutrition, you can make really easily swaps and still make your delicious favorite foods at home. And I truly think that that is so important, that you're still going to be able to enjoy having pasta or having sandwiches with bread or having pizzas or burgers. There are ways to enjoy these things, obviously in moderation, but also recreate them at home with more vegetables, more fiber, more protein, and just adding these little tweaks to it that can really make a maybe categorized unhealthy, that's not really how I usually categorize it, dish can still be very nutritious and so good for you. Because I think especially now I've worked out, like I really want to make sure to properly nourish my body after, obviously to build muscle, but also to have energy and to get a good mood and all of that. So very happy. I am gonna enjoy this. almost finished the whole thing. Also, the corn pasta is actually really good. I was a little bit skeptical about it, but I really can taste corn, and yeah, it kind of tastes like a normal pasta. It's pretty good. I'm gonna link the ebook down below. You can go check it out and recreate some of the dishes. There is a mix of some vegetarian and some with animal protein in it. It has a full mix of everything. You can see the menu over there, and honestly it makes cooking so much easier and so much fun because you truly don't have to think about it. I think sometimes even ordering food, by the time you're scrolling through of like what to order, what to get, like you've already prepped a meal, which is kind of insane. So, bon appetit. Oh, right, I'm done. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna eat the cookie. Max brought home. My friend Safira has a brand called Nowhere Bakery, and she just did a collaboration with Goop Kitchen, and she made pumpkin spice cookie, and I have a quarter of the cookie left. Yum. Oh, it's caramel in it. Maybe coconut cream. I am really tired right now. Actually, might go do a bath or something. Hey, buddy. I think Katsu's ready for his workout. Hey. He wants to get out. Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna take him for a walk soon. I just want scratchies. Katsu, you want to do the outro of the vlog?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.